So I opened the Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I'm going to the keyboard where you can see this is the Alt key. Okay, before that, if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. So now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see the Alt key. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, in this numeric section here, you type 9405. After typing 9405, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that now capital letter H inside a circle, we have created this symbol using keyboard shortcut. So if this video helps you, for more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineers Well Online. Thank you.